Hey guys, if you're on my PS3 friends list, you could watch this. If you're not, pretty much you shouldn't. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm making Warfare 3 videos, survival, campaign, multiplayer, Black Ops, Warfare 2, Warfare 3 Quick Scopes, Battlefield 3, and lots of few others. You should subscribe if you have a YouTube account. If not, please make one. I'll make lots of more videos. Maybe I'll reach up to 200 in 3 months. So till next time, watch my videos.